Alright guys, so welcome. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I got put in a $1,000 hotel room and if I paid that much or not. So I kind of wanted to address that and talk to you guys about it a little bit because it is something that most people just don't know. The biggest question I got is, are you just in there because of influence or because of anything like that? Instagram, social media, all that stuff. No, I am not. The reason I'm here is actually because of connections. And that's something that I think is really important that people kind of overlook. The fact that a good connection that you don't think may be good right now could work for you and help you out later down the line. So I'm really lucky in the fact that oh, you're in my video.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm really lucky in the fact that I have gotten a lot of opportunities and met a lot of people, and I kind of make those opportunities for myself sometimes. So that's also really important. But for this particular one, I had been asked about 6 months, a year ago, by the GM of the Westin in my hometown if I would be interested in helping them out with a project that he was working on. And I was curious about it, and I said, oh, what kind of project? And he kind of took me aside and took me for dinner and talked me through this project he was thinking. And the plan was, and the pitch he'd put out was, he wanted to get more women into leadership in the workplace. And so they wanted an internal mentor and an external mentor. And I was somebody that he was considering to have as an external mentor, just because I've got a different perspective to somebody who's actually a part of the hotel demographic. So I was asked to do this, and I obviously said absolutely I'd be interested. There's been a few little kinks and they're still working out some details, so that might be coming later, but we kept in touch. And I don't know if you know this, but the Westin, the Delta are all part of the Marriott group. So the Marriott group, because he's a part of it, I was lucky enough to be given the friends and family discount to be staying in this hotel. Absolutely blessed. They have that. They have a couple that they can use, and I was so lucky that he was willing to do that. And then when I got here, he said he wanted to make it the best day I've ever had, just to show how great their hotels are. When we got here, they ended up putting us in a different room, but they were talking about an upgrade, so we went and we talked to them. They were like, oh, absolutely, yeah, we're gonna put you in this room. So we got moved up to this $1,000 a night room for that reason, when I had really just booked the lowest room in the area. And that's what it is. It's all about connections. It's about who you meet. It's about who you know, what you get to know, what you learn. From being in here, we actually took a few photos. I'll have them cycle through right here so you can see what we did for the hotel as a thank you. But the reason we did this was we want to show them our appreciation as well. And because I am capable of doing photos that they can use for social media, and they upgraded us to this amazing room, we wanted to give something back. Under promise, over deliver, that kind of deal. They didn't expect anything. We did a couple things for them, but they also brought us wine and cheese and had that sitting for us. They upgraded us to an insane room that you never would have, I never would have stayed here otherwise. I would not have made it to this room. Otherwise, it did not just take influence, it was all about connections. So yeah, so the important thing was that I made this connection a long time ago, and I kind of kept it, and we kept in touch, and we're talking still, and are working on a project together, and I was willing to give up my time to help them out, and got some sweet stuff in return. Like, you work together, when you work and you collaborate, you are sometimes able to get really lucky with the stuff that you get. And I find that the more that you're willing to give to other people, the more you also just happen to get back. I don't know how the universe works with that, but just, it's a thing. Keep that in mind. This is more of a serious video than most of mine probably will be, but this is just something that I really truly believe, and I hope that you guys understand how important it is and enjoyed this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that little, I still don't remember what it's called, the little like notification button, doorbell, not doorbell, bell button, little bell, right here. Check me out on Instagram if you want to, at Alanna Pearson. If you are curious about more about this hotel, I actually have done videos. One of them was welcome to my crib, check out the place, hotel video. And I also did a haul video in the hotel in Calvin Klein. So check those out. They will be on my page, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye guys.